Want to lose weight naturally while still enjoying delicious food? Today, I'll share a quick and tasty moringa salad recipe for weight loss. And if you want to take your health goals even further, check out Moringa Magic Supplement, a powerful way to enjoy all the benefits of moringa every single day. The link is in the description below. Now, why moringa? It's called the miracle tree for a reason. Packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and amino acids, moringa boosts metabolism, reduces cravings, and supports digestion, making it perfect for anyone on a weight loss journey. Let's get into the recipe. You'll need 1 cup of fresh moringa leaves, or you can use a little moringa powder if that's easier. Add 1 chopped cucumber, 1 diced tomato, half a thinly sliced red onion, and 1 shredded carrot. For the dressing, drizzle 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and season with just a pinch of salt and black pepper. Toss everything together, and your refreshing, nutrient-packed moringa salad is ready in just minutes. If you don't always have access to fresh moringa, no worries, the Moringa Magic Supplement is the perfect solution. It gives you the same health-boosting benefits, energy, detox, and weight support all in an easy daily capsule. You'll find the link in the description below. Try adding this salad to your meals a few times a week, and you'll notice a difference in both energy and weight goals. And for an extra boost, don't forget to check out Moringa Magic Supplement link in the description below. If you enjoyed this recipe, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more healthy tips, and share it with a friend who's also working on their fitness journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.